You just spent hours perfecting your product walkthrough in English, but the moment you hit publish, you instantly locked out billions of potential global users. Let's face it, hiring voice actors for every market is a logistical nightmare, and recording separate versions takes weeks. Most of us just skip it and hope the world somehow understands us. But what if you could record once and let your screen recording speak every language natively? Cadence has a built-in AI dubbing system that translates your video into over 25 languages, while perfectly keeping your original tone, emotion, and pace. Today, we're going to look at the ultimate localization workflow, from polishing your source accent to spinning up your first global asset in seconds. All right, let's jump straight into our Cadence Pro editor. We've already got our base English screen recording loaded up on the timeline and ready to go. Now, here's a massive pro tip before we hit dubbing. A cleaner input always gives you a flawless localized output. So we're going to start by heading to the left panel and clicking AI Accent Change. This panel lets us choose a globally clear, neutral accent profile. For instance, we can select Roger for a smooth, conversational vibe, or Sarah if we want something a bit more corporate and authoritative. Let's go with Roger. Just click Select a Voice to transform and let Cadence do its thing. Don't worry, your original voice is completely preserved, and you can toggle between the raw and AI versions whenever you want. Now that our source audio is perfectly clean and evenly paced, our dubbing models can perform at their absolute best. Let's move over to the actual localization step. Next, we just click AI Dubbing right below it on the left panel. This opens up the translation interface on our right, and honestly, it couldn't be simpler. Just two quick settings. First is the source language. We'll just leave Auto Detect enabled because Cadence automatically catches the spoken language without us having to look for it. The second step is target language, which is where we pick our new market. You've got quick select chips right here for the most popular options, like Spanish, French, German, or Japanese. If you're targeting a more specific region, just expand the drop-down below to access the full list of over 25 global languages, including Arabic, Hindi, Dutch, and Turkish. Let's select Spanish for this version and hit Start Dubbing. Behind the scenes, Cadence isn't just translating text, it's actively matching the new voice to our original emotional delivery and visual timing. And just like that, our video reloads with the brand new dubbed track. Let's hit play and see how it sounds.
Muy bien, chicos. Escuchen.
Same exact visual actions on screen, but an entirely new native language. Look at the pacing. It stays perfectly locked to what's happening on screen. It doesn't sound like a robotic translator. It sounds like a real person naturally presenting your product. Right after it processes, you'll see your AI usage bar update at the bottom left. Remember, your 30-minute monthly bank is shared across all your Pro tools, so you always know exactly what you've used. If you want to tweak anything or rerun the process with a different profile, the feedback loop is incredibly fast, usually taking less than a minute per video, so you can iterate without pressure. The best part? Scaling this up is incredibly easy. We just go right back into the dubbing panel, select German this time, and hit Start Dubbing again. One video, multiple independent global assets. Now that our global versions are lined up, we can move on to exporting. Before downloading, you can still use the standard edit tools to add language-specific captions or trim down the timeline for each version. When you're ready, just jump down to the export section. Hit the blue download button to save it locally, or use Save to Drive to sync it straight to your cloud storage as a clean, independent file. If you need to send these localized cuts to your international teams or regional clients for a quick review, you can generate a secure, shareable link right from your dashboard. No heavy rendering or third-party uploads needed. Think about the efficiency here. One single recording session in English, exported as 3 flawless videos in Spanish, German, and Japanese, each sounding completely native. While most creators limit themselves to a single audience, you can now take one piece of content and reach the entire world without hiring a single translator or stepping into a studio. This complete multilingual workflow is waiting for you on Cadence Pro, along with AI video avatars, our full editing suite, and 100 gigabytes of secure cloud storage to keep all your versions organized. Head over to usecadence.co, claim your 7-day free trial, and take your content global before the end of the day. If you want to master more smart video workflows, don't forget to hit subscribe.